In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free professional website with WordPress and Elementor step by step. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along even if you're brand new to building websites. First, set up your domain and web hosting. This is the foundation of your site because your domain is the web address people will visit and your hosting is where your website files live. Once that's ready, move on to installing WordPress. Most hosting providers make this very easy with a one-click installation, and in just a few moments you'll have the basic website platform ready to go. After WordPress is installed, go to the main dashboard sidebar and open Appearance, then Themes, then Add New. In the search box, type Hello Biz. If you don't see that, lightweight options like Hello Elementor or Astra also work well. These themes are popular because they're clean, fast, and work nicely with Elementor. Once you've chosen one, click Install, wait for the files to finish loading, and then click Activate. Next, head over to Plugins and choose Add New. In the plugin search bar, type Elementor Website Builder. When it appears, click Install Now and then click the blue Activate button. Elementor is what will let you visually design your pages without needing to code, which is why it's such a great choice for beginners and professionals alike. Once Elementor is active, launch a starter template. This can save you a lot of time because instead of building every section from scratch, you'll begin with a layout that already looks polished and professional. After that, go to Pages, then All Pages, find your home page, and click Edit with Elementor. Now it's time to design and personalize the content. Replace the default text, images, and sections with your own branding, your own message, and the information you want visitors to see. Focus on making the page clear and easy to read. Keep your heading strong, your sections organized, and your visuals consistent. When your page content is in place, go to Appearance and then Menus to create your main navigation links. This is where you build the core structure of your site so visitors can easily move between important pages. From there, build your navigation elements so the menu feels clean, intuitive, and professional. Before you officially launch, make sure your website dynamically reformats well on phones and tablets. This is extremely important because many visitors will view your site on mobile devices. Check spacing, text size, button alignment, and image layout carefully. Once everything looks good, your professional WordPress website is ready to go live.